Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a retainer on Freshbooks. If you work with clients on an ongoing basis and need a structured way to bill them regularly, setting up a retainer is the perfect solution for managing those recurring payments efficiently. First, you'll want to go to the Freshbooks website and log in to your Freshbooks account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Freshbooks dashboard, which is your central hub for managing invoices, expenses, and client information. From here, locate the Invoices button on the left navigation menu and click on it. This section houses all your billing tools, including the retainer setup we're about to configure. After clicking on Invoices, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From here, click on Retainers. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can view and manage all your retainer agreements in one place. From the Retainers page, you'll see a button labeled New Retainer. Go ahead and click on it. A Set Up Your Retainer window will appear, and this is where you'll configure all the details for your client's retainer agreement. From here, you need to fill out all the fields required to ensure the retainer is structured correctly. Start by adding the client for your retainer. You can either select an existing client from your list or add a new one if this is their first retainer with you. This ensures that all invoices and billing information are linked directly to the right client. Next, under the Terms section, select the start date for the retainer. This is the date when the retainer period officially begins, so make sure it aligns with your agreement. Then, choose the retainer period for this client, whether it's monthly, quarterly, or another time frame that suits your arrangement. Now, fill in the fees and hours per period. This defines how much the client will be billed and how many hours of work are included in each retainer cycle. Be clear about these numbers to avoid any confusion later. After that, add a rate for your excess hours. This is the hourly rate you'll charge if the client's needs exceed the agreed upon hours, ensuring you're compensated fairly for any additional work. Under the Recurring Schedule section, fill in the next issue date. This is the date when the first invoice under this retainer will be generated and sent to the client. Then, select the number of invoices you want to create as part of this retainer agreement. You can also choose delivery options here, such as whether invoices should be automatically emailed to the client or saved as drafts for you to review first. Once everything is filled in and you've double-checked all the details, click on Set and Continue. This will finalize your retainer setup and save all the information you've entered. Your retainer is now active, and Freshbooks will handle the recurring billing automatically based on the schedule you've configured. And that's it. You've successfully created a retainer on Freshbooks, giving you a streamlined way to manage ongoing client work and ensure consistent billing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.